This serum literally feels like tiny needles pricking your face, and people are paying $30 plus for it. I'm testing the viral Medicube Zero Exosome Shot to see if the hype matches the science. This is a spicule serum with 15 million patented exosomes that physically deliver actives into your pores. It comes in 3 strengths: 2,000, 7,500, and 25,000 ppm spicules. The formula includes AHA, BHA, PHA for exfoliation, plus their signature lacto-exosome blend of peptides and amino acids. Clinical data shows 21% pore visibility reduction and 242% better ingredient absorption. Amazon customers consistently mention the immediate prickly needle sensation that feels like microneedling. One verified buyer says, "I'm on my 2nd bottle, love all Medicube products." Another mentions noticing skin improvements after just 3 uses. The main complaint? You can only use it every 3 days, and some find the tingling too intense. Bottom line, it works, but it's not for everyone. The clinical backing is solid: 88% pore volume improvement when used with their other products. Start with the 2000 ppm version if you have sensitive skin. Skip it if you can't handle tingling sensations or prefer gentle skincare. Have you tried spicule serums? Drop your experience below and subscribe for more K-Beauty reality checks.